How can flexLock help to increase the productivity of your machine? Bright and clear LEDs that are visible from all three sides not only tell you the current status of the device, but also indicate various faults, helping you quickly find the source of the problem and support you with troubleshooting. This way, you minimize the downtime of your machine. To reduce the machine maintenance, the flexible actuator allows you the door offset of 3 mm. This way, ensuring the reliable and uninterrupted machine functionality even if the door sags over time. Developing flexLock, we put extra focus on the clean design. The usage of plastic and stainless steel materials combined with an open locking head makes sure that the device can be cleaned fast and easily. If your machine has multiple doors, then the device can also be connected in series by either using the simple T-junction or the intelligent cascade FlexiLoop. This way, you save not only your wiring effort, but also the safe inputs on your control.